This is Alexis with Infinite Design Marketing, and this is your how-to video on using the menu system. So you can see we're at the dashboard, and you can see today's date and that I was the last one to work on a live page that's titled Impulse Introduction Video. So that's showing you that I was just in there working on the site and what I did. So now we're going to discuss the menu button. So if I wanted to make a change to the menu, and in this case, it's simply the top menu. With this site, you will have the ability to edit this menu. This menu is coded in a little differently, and it's within the bannering system. So if you need any changes to that, you would need to ask us to help you with that. Otherwise, you can change the order of these items, and you can change the order of the items in the drop-down, or add or delete them. So let's take a quick look on how that's done. So the menu is displayed here. You can see just like on your home page across the top, home, products, information, downloads, about us, contact. Home, products, information, downloads, about us, contact. And then anything in here that has a little drop down means that there's a drop down. And within that drop down, you can see there's these arrows again. And all you do is click and drag them. I don't want to do it because I don't want to mess your site up. But you just click and drag them, and it will change the order. Simply go back here and click refresh, and it's done. You can see that here it has this pound sign next to the word products. That's because up here, the word products doesn't link. It'll just refresh the page. But if I click here, it goes to that page. And let's take a look at that. So item 1 in the drop-down, ADA sign systems, it shows the link to the page. It's active. Let's click these tools, and here it is. So if I were to add a new one, I would put the name as I want it to read in the drop-down. I can browse to the page. So let's say I'm making a new page on the site, and I want to add it to the menu. First, make your page. Then browse here to select the page. Or you can type in the URL if you like, but it's always nicer to use the browse because then you don't have to worry about, oh, that was a cap and I didn't use one and it's not linking. If you're linking to another site, it's always nice to use the blank tag so that it doesn't take the user from your site, but it opens another window for that. Here you can manually type in the order to which you want it to fall in the drop-down. And what's the parent menu? Maybe I'm making a new page and it's a page that I want to go under products, or maybe it's a page I want under information. So I can pick that in here. Do I want it to show on mobile? Sometimes people want a scaled down version for mobile, so you can choose which pages you want or don't want to have in the mobile. And then you would just click save. I'm going to click close because I don't want to make any changes to your site. Again, here you can just grab these and drag them, and they will switch order, and then you simply go to the page itself and refresh to see the changes that you made. Working with the menus, pretty easy system.